Bobby and I brought this boat over here. It's kind of beat up. Needs some cleaning. It's his boat. It's been sitting around for a while. Needs a little TLC, a little love. Get my finger out of there. Work better. This is my partner. She's helped me out. Found about 10 eggs in there. There's only 2 left. I ate the others. Just kidding, we threw them away. Anywho, this is it. We'll do a little before and after video. See what she comes out like when we're done. Peace out. There it is. Pressure washed and cleaned out. I don't know. Looks better. Definitely looks better. A little wash, maybe some camouflage. Yeah. I think camouflage is the answer. A little bit of debris in there, but that carpet's all coming out. Overall, cleaned up pretty nice. Pretty nice. I didn't use soap, I just used a pressure washer. So a little soap bath would help it. Definitely better. Peace out.